Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I can film now. Okay. Ow. Okay. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Pura Vida unboxing. I'm super excited, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to be opening it up. I'm not going to show the back side of it because, yeah, but I'll show the side. So I did order one ring, and it looks like this. I got the wave ring. I already have the wave ring, but the one I have doesn't have like this blue on it. So here's this one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. Okay, so I think it's upside down. So it just looks like this. A little blue on it. It's a wave. I got a size 6. I don't know if that's gonna be too big. I hope it's not. I'm gonna try it on. My other ring's a size 5 and it was a little bit tight. And I want this one for my pointer finger, so here's the ring, and it just looks like this. It's only a little bit big, but it doesn't like fall off my hand. So that's good. And it just looks like that. And this ring was $14. I like it a lot, so I'm just gonna keep it on the rest of the video. And then next, I'm gonna show you guys the stickers because I did a review for the package I got. I think it was like in summertime. So if you want to see that, you can go check that video out. But this is like different stickers, I think. Kind of hard. Okay. So it just looks like this. And you open it up. Okay. Open it up. Looks like that. And there are the stickers. So it comes with this like wave sticker, this one, this is like a shell or something, I'm not sure. Oh, these are 2 of them. Oh, this one's pretty. It's a flower and a seashell, and oh, I think this one's my favorite. Okay, so now that we have done the stickers and my ring that I got, I can show you guys my bracelets. The rest of the package is just bracelets. They do have like earrings and stuff like that, but I just got a ring and bracelets. So let's get on to that. The first one I see is this one. Oh, I kind of pulled it out of the bag. They come in little baggies like this. And this is my pink one. This is an original bracelet, and this one was $6. Yeah, it took me a while to find that. So yeah, I don't know what the name of this one is, but not sure what this is. Oh, this is my, okay, I'm actually excited about this one because all my other Pura Vidas, I only have 2, but my other ones that I have were all like, were just originals, but this one is a braided one, so it's actually different. It's just white braided. Ignore the marker I have on my hand. A white braided one, and this one was $15. I'm so excited about this one. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is just, it's like an original bracelet. I'm not sure if it's an original. Are these all originals? I don't even know. Because, okay, I know I'm not like that good at Pura Vida bracelets. I know they have like the originals and they have like the braided and then they have like the sets. I don't really know what they're all called, so I'm sorry about that. But there's this one and it has like little beads on it, and it has a like gold charm, unlike the other ones which just have like this color. I honestly just like all these bracelets, but that's all I have to say. So this one is a blue one, but it's not just blue. It has like other types of blues in it. It's like a lighter blue. The other 2 ones I have are blue, but they're darker, if that makes sense. So yeah, this one was $6 as well. And then my last one, yeah, that's my last one. So it's this one. And if I open it up, this is the last one, and it just looks like this. And it is, I believe it's called the lavender. So it just looks like that, and this one was also $6. So I got 5 bracelets and a ring, and my favorite thing would probably be the braided one. I'm just dropping everything. My favorite one's the braided one, definitely, because it's not like the ones I've had before. Or if it's not the braided one, it's probably this blue one. I really like blue. That's why my other two are blue. And yeah, that's everything I got. If you guys want to see more Pura Vida unboxings or anything like that, just comment that down below and I'll try to do the best I can. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!